Hello guys, welcome back to another super inspiring Photoshop tutorial. Sometimes you struggle with your images having a lot of imbalance in colors, a lot of blotches, and you wonder how to color correct those images quickly. In this video, you will learn very useful tricks how to white balance the images to make it look more natural, and also you will learn the importance of lens correction to make the image look more appealing. I will guarantee you are going to learn something very interesting from this video. Before we talk further, let's jump right in. Look at this image. The colors are imbalanced. The edges are not straight. Let's try to draw some rulers. If you don't find this, simply go to View and click Rulers. Okay, so you will get this. So simply drag and see this is not straight. Again, this edge is also not straight. So even if you try to bring in another ruler to check, see, even this is also not straight, and again even this is also not straight. Correcting these will actually make the image look more appealing. This is very important. Also, if you look at these white areas, you see these areas, each of them is looking so different in white. See, all these are white areas. Each area looks different. See, here, everywhere. So you need to correct these to make it look more balanced. So let's do that. So first what we will do, we will just duplicate the image. Okay, simply go to Image, Duplicate. Okay, then go to Filter and click. There are two things: lens correction and camera raw filter. Let's choose camera raw filter. Okay, so this opens up this window. Okay, so now you click this transform tool. Once you click here, make sure you switch on the grid. If the grid size was smaller, so you can make it bigger. Okay, now this is an automatic correction. So if you click here, it will automatically correct the edges. But still you can see that it's not 100% straight. And then this only corrects horizontal, this only corrects vertical. Okay, let's choose this. Okay, so now you just need to simply pick those edges. So draw and draw here as well, just one horizontal and vertical. See, it actually corrects. And even if you want to fine tune this, even this edge is not straight, so maybe slightly add this and maybe add one more horizontal that was not straight. So let's try to do this. Minor adjustments. See, now switch off the grid. You see the image is more straight and it looks more powerful. See, all these are 90 degrees and verticals and so on. So that's it. So you can actually play with vertical. We don't need to do anything. So let's make it 0. Okay, let's keep it in here. Now let's go and pick the samples, the color sampler. So let's see, you pick the areas. So you see here, whichever the area where you want to color correct, pick a sample from, and you can choose from there or wherever there. So it's gone. So you see here the caustics is making a little yellowish there. Now if you pick the area where you find, and then you can go ahead and increase or decrease the shadows, and you can just until you're happy with it. Then even if you want to make the temperature a little bit, slight adjustment, and actually this one actually picks up another sample. We don't need to do that, and this is just to boost. Okay, you see here it can actually go to highlights and the shadows, and this is the transform. And sometimes, see, for example, if you wanted to do just only one portion, so you can actually lift this gradient ramp, and you can also do that. It's too bright, so maybe you can delete that, and here as well. So just to boost it. Okay, so you just play with it as long as it's up to you. Okay, so you can leave it as it is. Say okay. You see the difference between the old to the new. Let's do some minor adjustments. Let's create an adjustment layer called color lookup. Okay, so this creates a color lookup. So go to the property. If you don't find a property, go to window, click properties. Okay, so this will look for a LUT file. Basically, what is LUT? LUT stands for lookup table. LUT is like a tool that editors, colorists save particular color grades as a template. Think of it as a color preset. Okay, this particular thing, if you can load it, if you have your own 3D LUT file, you can actually load here. Otherwise, you see there are pre-built ones. See, there are some late sunset, moonlight, night from day. Let's select soft warming. Okay, you see the difference, and give an opacity. So now you can go ahead and do color balance or photo filter or whatever it is. Even if you want to add a little photo filter, make a warming filter, so you can increase the density, whatever color it is. You want orange or magenta, whatever color you feel like. It adds a little filter to the overall image. And now another one is if you can still play with HDR toning. So if you click the HDR toning here, so you see the preview. So it has certain pre-built default presets. So you can choose from whatever. Let's say saturated, because this is more yellowish. Maybe we can play with vibrance level and saturation level a little bit. It is up to you. So you play with it as long as you play with the details. If you are happy with it, use it. Just slightly play with the values very mild. So you see the difference between this to that. Yeah. So it's up to you. See. So this adds a depth to the image. See from old. See how is it? Let me just duplicate this. Okay, put it in layer. Let's go back. See original to the corrected. See how amazing it is. Okay, let me mask it, so you will see the difference more. See, amazing. That's all. That's it for now. I hope this was very helpful. If you like this video, I would appreciate if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That would give me a motivation to do more videos. And if you specifically want to know any trick, kindly do let me know in the comments below. I will try my best to do a video. Thanks for watching.